The words, "I can't," denotes negative thinking, and this can really bring someone down. The words, "I can't," stops you from exploring new ideas and developing your hidden skills and talents. This week, I'm going to talk to you about a book that shows us the power of positive thinking. The book is written by Peter H. Reynolds and is titled The Dot. So what is the story The Dot all about? This is a story of a little girl, Vashti, who feels that she cannot draw at all. The art class turns into one of despair for her as she tries to draw and realizes that she cannot draw. In desperation, she jabs angrily at the drawing paper and creates a dot. She is surprised when her teacher asks her to sign it and then hangs it on the wall of the art room. This makes her feel so pleased to see her dot all framed up swirly gold hanging on the wall above her teacher's desk. The encouragement from her teacher leads Vashti to make a better dot, and then another dot, and then another. Vashti starts experimenting with colors and creates different dots: blue dots, yellow dots, purple dots. Then she starts making bigger dots on bigger sheets of paper. Multiple hues all around Vashti unleashes her creativity as she goes on to create different kinds of dots. At the school's art show, Vashti's dots turn quite a few heads and creates quite a splash. The walls are filled with Vashti's artwork. Children, teachers, parents all look at the vivid multicolored dots in wonder and awe. She gains a sense of confidence and pride in her artistic abilities. She feels encouraged and motivated, seeing all the attention that her artwork seems to be getting. As she observes everyone, she notices a young boy admiring her artwork, and he tells her that he cannot draw. Vashti encourages the boy as her teacher did to her, and tells the boy to make a mark and see where that takes him. Wow! So that is how Vashti gained her confidence. She was able to develop her talents and also encourage others to do the same. This book teaches a person about growth mindset. Growth mindset tells us that although you might not be able to do something right now, you will probably be able to do it in the near future with a lot of hard work and determination. This concept was developed by psychologist Carol Dweck. Unlike the fixed mindset theory, a growth mindset is the belief that intelligence and talent are just starting points. These traits can be developed through dedication and hard work. By following a growth mindset, students believe that they become smarter through hard work and perseverance, and that failures are opportunities for growth and improvement. People with a growth mindset embrace challenges, persist through obstacles, learn from criticism, and seek out inspiration in others' success. Those who hold a growth mindset believe that they can become better at something by dedication of time, effort, and energy. Working on one's flaws and the process are the most important components. This is the difference between people with a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset think that intelligence is static. They avoid challenges and think it's too hard. They expect reward without any effort, and they ignore feedback. They are usually threatened by the success of others. People with a growth mindset, however, think that intelligence can be developed. They embrace challenges and think that they can train their mind to say, "I can." They think that making an effort is a path towards mastery. They learn from feedback and are inspired by the success of others. Now let us look at some examples of a fixed mindset versus growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset would probably say, "I'll never learn how to do this. I'm not smart." People with a growth mindset would say, "I might not know how to do this now, but I'm going to read up on it and figure it out." People with a fixed mindset would probably say, "I don't have the time to prepare for this presentation. I'm good at marketing, so they'll give me the job." People with a growth mindset would say, "I'm going to spend some time preparing and give it my all. So even if I don't get hired, I'll know that I'll do my best." People with a fixed mindset would say, "Others' successes make me feel bad about myself." People with a growth mindset would say, "Others' successes encourage me and inspire me. They show me what is possible." People with a fixed mindset would say, "It is embarrassing when I make a mistake." People with a growth mindset would say, everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are opportunities to learn. So which do you think would help achieve success? A fixed mindset or a growth mindset? Would you like to create your own growth mindset sentences and hang them in your room? Click on the link below to listen to the story, The Dot. Click on the second link to listen to the author as he explains the reason for coming up with a story that has encouraged and motivated many young minds.